This is actually the Warrior Wolf headquarters. As we can see, we have some of our own issues going on today, and this was caused by a air conditioner pan and condensate drain line that failed to work properly. So what I'm going to show you right here is you actually have some moisture going on, and so those blue spots are showing temperature differences. And so this is actually all wet throughout here. But the good thing is nothing has gone down to the walls, it's just staying in that ceiling. And so that being said, what we ended up having to do is take these little pieces of wood. So we took that out of the showroom. We had some just random selections of wood sitting in there, ripped those down real quick, stuck up containment poles. Just due to the fact that Stephanie was actually sitting at her desk, she was the one that noticed this. It started dripping out of the light right here. So it started dripping out right next to that. So she gave us a call, and then she started getting everything ready, moved stuff out of the way, put the trash cans up. That being said, we put these containment poles up with the wood on there to hold up the sheetrock just so it didn't start to come down. Put some trash cans underneath it just to make sure, and then started working with the property maintenance guys just so we can make sure they know what's going on, and then so we can start drying out the ceiling, spray our antimicrobials, do all the things we need to do to make sure this is dry. So we do experience the same thing you guys do. This happens just be at our office. Good thing is we do water mitigation all the time, so it's not as big of a deal for us. But at the same time, it is kind of a pain in the butt just displacing us, having to move Stephanie from her little corner over here, sticking her over on the other side. So that's just one of those things. But if y'all ever have anything and you need to give us a shout, this is Garrett with Warrior Wolf.